Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, leader Nelson Chamisa will this weekend take his campaign to Beitbridge as he drums up support ahead of the March 26 by-elections. CCC spokesperson Fadzayi Mahir yesterday confirmed that Chamisa will address a rally at Dulivhadzimo Stadium. It is confirmed, Mahir told Newsday yesterday. Although there are no parliamentary candidates in Beitbridge, CCC will canvass for support for its local government candidates for urban wards 4 and 5. Beitbridge inaugural Mayor Morgan Cube and former Finance Committee Chairperson Granger Nyoni will contest on behalf of the party. Cube and Nyoni were recalled by the Douglas Munzara-led MDCT. Chamisa last visited Beitbridge prior to 2018 elections. At the weekend, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is expected to address a rally in Muter, while Defense Minister Appa Muchunguri will address a rally in Karoy on Sunday.
Ping it, ping it, ping it, ping it, ping it.